Everyone, and welcome to break 3337 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Baseball Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. It's 12:38 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. It's 11:38 p.m. Central Time and 9:38 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have SMDU with 2, Rand 3, Sablack 1, Jolene 6, KSAB 1, Brian 1, Annie with 10, RTS Sports Cards 4, Chef Around 1, Lab Rub 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. SMDU on top, Lab Rub on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7 times. That's Andy on top and on the bottom. Andy with the Diamondbacks, Jolene Braves, Rand with the Orioles, Andy Red Sox, Cubs, Chef Around White Sox, Jolene Reds, RTS Sports Cards, Indians, Rand with the Rockies, Lab Rub Tigers, RTS Sports Cards with the Astros, Ryan Royals, KSAB with the Angels, Jolene Dodgers, Andy Marlins, Jolene Brewers Twins, SMDU with the Mets, Jolene Yankees, RTS Sports Cards, Athletics, Andy Phillies, Pirates, excuse me, RTS Sports Cards with the Padres, Andy with the Giants, SMDU Mariners, Rand with the Cardinals, Sablack with the Rays, Andy Rangers, Blue Jays, and last but not least, the Nationals as well. All right. Good luck, everybody. We're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. There's our box. Good luck, everybody. Left side. Strong side. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First up, James Paxton in New York. Now we have LA, Chicago, New York. We'll look up the card to confirm which team. There we go. Based on the gray, that should be the Yankees. That is 19 out of 49. There's the back. 1 down, 5 to go. For Kansas City, we have George Brett, 11 out of 49. Another used jersey. This one for Kansas City. So we'll go through the box and then go back through and highlight our winners. A nice premium patch auto, Tristan Lutz. 3 out of 25 for the Milwaukee Brew Crew. Very nice. Three down, 3 to go. We have 28 out of 49, Brendan McKay, silver auto. Very cool. Jersey. Black for Tampa. Then we have Bobby Bradley, rookie, RBI double and first at bat. Speaking of bat, got part of his bat. Auto memorabilia. That is number 1 out of 99. And that is going to Cleveland, the Cleveland Indians. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a flannel signatures. Check that out. That is sweet. 6 out of 25 auto for Nico Horner, Chicago. And again, we'll look it up. In this case, blue. Cubs, of course. But very nice for break 33-37. So let's go back through and see who's getting what. Let's just start with Nico. Cubs. Chicago Cubs going to Andy. Congrats. Then we have the Brendan McKay for Tampa. Tampa Bay Rays, Sablack _ 27. Congrats. Kansas City, George Brett. Kansas City Royals going to Ripa. Congrats. Cleveland Indians. Cleveland Indians going to RTS Sports Cards. Congrats. And James Paxton in New York. Just got to look it up to confirm which New York, of course. That's the Yankees. New York Yankees going to Jolene _ 38. Congrats. And last but not least for the Milwaukee Brewers, Tristan Lutz. Milwaukee Brewers going to Jolene, and that was break 33-37 for the 2020 Panini Baseball Immaculate Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot right after this. Thanks.